Good afternoon, guys. Bob Ichino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. It is August 9th. This is a Litecoin and IOTA cryptocurrency update, educational update. Speaking of education, we put up an R-Zone video, part one, a two-part educational series on what we mean when we're talking about the R-Zone. Because of that, we're a little short on time, so we combined IOTA and Litecoin for tonight. We've also got Ethereum and Bitcoin in a prior video, so check that out. Well, let me turn it over to Mike so he can show you what he is seeing on these cryptocurrency charts. Mike, it's all yours.
IOTA US dollar, you can see how it ran up just shy. It hit all the targets except for a final target right around this 56.11 area. I'm going to pull off some of these. I'll leave up that 56.11 target because it's still not hit. And we'll update the next set of targets should we continue higher. So we'll take a look at those real quick. We're going to do the first key GAN levels, 12.5 and 25. So coming down to the rotation zone, really nice move in there. We can switch over to the 1 hour. You can see an entry. We had a best fit line here. We spread this out, best fit line again because it's cutting through the wicks. Nice close above there, nice move higher. First level we're watching for, just reaching shy of, is this prior major resistance. You can see all the times it poked above that. We're targeting the close right here, about 54.98, so just in front of the $55 mark. If we do get in front of that, above that, 55.70 is the most recent high. That'll be our next target. We're then going to be watching for some minor resistance coming in about this 56.12 area, which was a prior target, 56.11, 56.12. Then 56.96, then 58.23. Those are all your new levels on IOTA. Real quick, looking at IOTA on a daily chart, still extended from its rotation zone. So if it does reverse and come back down, we can expect a bigger correction. That would really be on a move below this 50.50 area. We'd expect it to come down closer to the rotation zone. Until then, this is an aggressive trade with our next levels higher, but we'll be willing to wait for another pullback to add an additional layer should we pull back lower. That's the update for IOTA. Litecoin, we're on our 4-hour chart, came back down into the rotation zone, turning up again. We're waiting for a more conservative entry on this. Came back, significant level, prior resistance becoming support also. If this does not trigger and then comes back down to below the rotation zone, we will be watching for a bigger pullback to the area of 45.70 to about 45.33. Switch over to the 1 hour real quick so you can see what we're watching for. This is going to be a key area it has to get through between the 48.50 area and the 48.92 area. We're watching for a move above our defining point, especially on a closing basis, raising stops right around this 48.92 area. Then your next target is going to be 49.36. There's going to be lots of selling pressure up in here also between the 49.50 and this 50.20 area, which was by the more recent highs. If we do get through there, the next two key levels up are 50.90 and 51.55. Putting this into perspective with the daily chart also, you can see here up at this first level, this 50.90 is also this major resistance area right here. So if we do rally up, that's going to be some key areas you might want to take something off and book some profits. If we do break below this trend line we covered on the 4 hour, then you can watch that bigger drop back to this 45.69 to 70 area, which is the top of the rotation zone on the daily. And if that's broken, we'll watch for a full 50% retracement area down to 44.17. That's all we have for you. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, guys. Again, we now have 6 price action educational videos showing you exactly how we put together the type of chart you just saw Mike analyze and some of the foundational stuff on where that analysis comes from and what we're looking at. So check those out. There is an exponential moving average video, a simple moving average video, 3 trendline videos, and now part 1 of the R-Zone video. I'm sure you heard Mike say the R-Zone in this video and others. So check those out, spread them around, share them, hit like and subscribe on this video and others, and we will talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, guys.